Wow, thank you for joining us again in today's class. We've been making headway. Very soon, we are going to be curating that website that you have been dreaming of. Very soon, you are going to be creating those websites that you are like, wow. One day I'm going to design this. One day I also am going to build my own website. Even maybe you are the type that you don't even think you can be a web developer, you don't even think you can be a web designer, I can assure you that by the time you are rounding up this training series, you will be surprised with how. So I also can be called a web developer. I also can be called a web designer. I also can do this. I also can do this, and I can boldly say this to you that this will be what we fill your mouth at the time we are rounding up this training series, because what I'm going to be showing you in this training is going to be beyond your expectation, beyond what you can ever imagine. Because I know so many people believed that for you to be a web developer, for you to be a web designer, you need a system, you need a laptop, you need a desktop. But I am showing you that I'm assuring you that in this training series, you will be able to build a standard website with that device, with that smartphone in your hand. So let's move on. Let's move on. In today's class, we are going to be focusing on understanding CMS. Now, before I continue, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now. We do updating new videos to this channel, and you can only be notified if you are subscribed and also clicked on the bell icon. So let's move on. CMS. What is CMS? Now, CMS is an abbreviation meaning content management system. That is what CMS simply means. Now, what is content management system? Now, management system is a software that is used to curate, manage, and also to modify digital content. Content management system is a software that makes the editing, customization of digital content easy. It relieves you of the stress of going through the hard way of getting things done digitally. Now, there are so many content management systems out there, and content management system is what we are going to be using in creating those websites that you will be working on in this training series. Do you know you can design a complete website without writing a single line of code? Now, you'll be like, how can that be possible? Yes, it is possible. You can develop a standard website. You can build a complete website without writing a single line of code. So don't be like, this can't be possible. Yes, it is possible, and that is what I'm going to be showing you in this training series. How to develop a complete website without you needing to write a single line of code. Now, there are so many CMS out there, so many content management system softwares out there. There is WordPress, there is Joomla, there is Drupal. So many content management system softwares are out there. But what we are going to be focusing our training on in this course is WordPress. WordPress is the content management system we are going to be using to build that website I have enumerated at the beginning of this course. Remember, I said in this training we are going to be majoring on 4 different kind of website, which is personal or portfolio website, 2 is e-commerce an online store. 3, we will also be looking at how to create a forum, online discussion. And 4, we are going to be setting up a social networking website. So these are the 3 categories of websites we are going to be working on in this training series. So I want you to be rest assured. I want you to be attentive. I want you to give it your total concentration, because each of these websites that we are going to be building, I can tell you this, that if you pay attention to it and you do those things I ask you to do, because in each of these parts you are going to be doing assignment. I'm going to be assigning tasks to you. After each part, by the end of this first part, I'm going to give you assignment on what you have to do before we start the next part. And if you do those things, I can assure you that by the time we are concluding the 5th part of this training series, you will be bold enough to call yourself a web developer. So CMS, content management system software, is what we are going to be using to develop our website using our smartphone. So be rest assured that you are receiving knowledge in this training that can become a source of income for you, if that is what you want, and also can become what the tools you will use to set up your own business. Maybe you have been aspiring of starting an e-commerce, or you also were like, one day I'm going to have my own social network, or you're thinking of setting up a forum for yourself, or you're like, I want my services to be online, I need an online portfolio for what I do. Now at the end of this course, you should be able to do those things. You should be able to do those things yourself. So thank you for your time. Thank you for the continuity in this training, and I believe that you will stay to the end of this course. Also, before we bring today's class to close, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and also click on the bell icon to stay notified for every update, for every new release on this channel. So thank you, see you other time, and stay blessed.